Hello students, this video is for grade 2nd. So let us start. In this sheet, we are having 3 different parts in which we will get to know about 3 different subjects. Let us start with our first subject, which is of maths. Complete the table of 3. Okay, in this way I have to complete the table of 3, and I hope you all have must learn the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. Okay, so this is the table of 3. Now see the next question of the sheet. Circle the number that come in the table of 4. ओके आपको उन नंबर को सर्कल करना है जो आपके 4 की टेबल में आते हो. सो हाउ विल यू डू इट? यू विल रीड द टेबल. पहले आप टेबल रीड करते जाओगे, जो जो नंबर आता जाएगा उसे आप सर्कल करते जाओगे. लाइक 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Okay, so the multiples which are coming in this table, you will circle those numbers only. Okay, जो numbers table में आ रहे हैं आंसर में, वही नंबर को आप सिर्फ सर्कल करेंगे. Understood? So for this you must know the table, and as of you are the student of class 2nd, you have to learn up to table 2 to 10. ओके 10 तक तो टेबल कम से कम आपको लर्न होनी चाहिए. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 9s are 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. Okay, so today we have read table from 2 to 5. In the next class we will read further. Okay, now let's move to our next section of the sheet, English. Write the feminine form. Okay, feminine form write करना है. ये सारे masculine forms का फेमिनिन फॉर्म राइट करना है. लाइक सन, सन मतलब बेटा, SON, सन, सन मतलब बेटा. फेमिनिन फॉर्म विल बी डॉटर, बेटी, DAUGHTER, daughter means बेटी. नेक्स्ट इज ब्रदर मतलब भाई, BROTHER, brother. Sister, SISTER, sister. नेक्स्ट इज नेफ्यू, नेफ्यू मतलब क्या होता है, भांजा. ओके ओके, नेफ्यू मीन्स भांजा. उसका फेमिनिन फॉर्म क्या होगा, भांजी. सो उसे हम कहते हैं इंग्लिश में नीस, NIECE, नीस. फादर, FATHER, father. फेमिनिन फॉर्म क्या होगा, मदर, MOTHER, mother. Understood? So in this way you will change all these masculine form into their feminine form. Okay, सारे masculine forms को उनके feminine form में आप change कर देंगे. Understood? Yeah. Now see the last section of this sheet. Fill in the blanks using should or should not. क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. Should मतलब करना चाहिए और should not मतलब नहीं करना चाहिए. We dash touch switches and plugs with wet hands. हमें गीले हाथों से switches और plugs को touch करना चाहिए या नहीं touch करना चाहिए. Is it good? No, it's not good. We should not touch switches and plugs with wet hands. गीले हाथों से कभी भी switch और plugs को touch नहीं करना चाहिए. Especially the wire which are open. Open wires को तो कभी भी नहीं touch करना चाहिए because it can supply current. Current pass कर सकता है and you can get shock. आपको shock भी लग सकता है. See the next. We dash play with sharp objects. Sharp objects like knife. Knife से हमें खेलना चाहिए. Sharp object से खेलना चाहिए. No, we should not play with sharp objects. Next, we dash stay away from fire. हमें आग से दूर रहना चाहिए या दूर नहीं रहना चाहिए. We should stay away from fire. हमें आग से दूर रहना चाहिए. Understood? So in this way, what you will do is you will fill should or should not in all these sentences and complete these blanks. I hope you all have understood this sheet very well. If you still having any kind of doubt related to any topic, any subject, any question, you can ask me. Thank you.